Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can use this case structure. The case structure is a beautiful function here, and whenever we require to execute the case by case problems, then we will use this case structure application here. So now let us move to. First of all, we'll go to this in a programming, then structure, and in structures we have this case structure. So simply what we have to do here, click and drop, and then this blank window will come. And in this blank windows we have the two by default cases. One is your false and second one is case. So first of all we will work on both these two cases, then I will show you how we can add and subtract the cases here. So the basic examples here actually I am taking, suppose we have one nonlinear equation. This nonlinear equation, and this nonlinear equation is nothing but I'll take suppose 4x square plus 6x plus 8. So here this true is nothing but this is your nonlinear. So here okay, I'm taking one more variable here. This is 6y, and so here what should be the value of z? See here, so here we need the two variables. So I'll go back in your front panel and I'll select the two variable. Sorry, yeah. First, and here we have, I change the okay. So now this is we have I'll take suppose this is x, and next one this is by two variables we have. So accordingly I'm taking the two variables. Okay. So now again go back. So we have now two variables here. So here whatever be the equation we have, we will write that equation. So our expression is take this square block, then I will go multiply. So this is x square, and this square is multiplied with 4, so this 4x. Next we have 6y, so this is your y, and this is multiplied with constant, this is 6y, and next is 8. So what we have to add of all these three, so I am taking these three. So this is your first term, this is your second terms, and the last one is nothing but this is constant, so I'll take this constant 8. Now it's clear. So from here again I'll just drag and find, okay, and then it will give you this indicator. That indicator it will give you, we can write here this is for true case. So I'll just write down here the true just for this identification, and now I'll go back here. So I'll select another case, this is a false. So false we are saying this is linear, suppose. So linear equation we have. So again I'll write the same, this z, this is equal to we'll say again suppose 5x plus 7y plus 9, that's that. So according to this again I'll just prepare this equation. So this is nothing but it's a 5x. So we have to again I multiply. This is your 5x again 7y, and we have to add all these three terms. So again this is your first term, second, and last is your 9. Okay, same, I'll just connect with this one. So now this is your linear equations. So for the identification, here we can write again this is nothing but this is your false. So that means what I have assigned the two cases. In a true case, this is your non-linear, and this false case, this is a linear equation. And now here, how we can switch the cases. So for that, I'll again go back in your front panel, and from here I go for in this booleans and okay. Okay, so I have select the one boolean, and this boolean it will give you the results according to our switch. So I write this is a non-linear just for this identification, and next I'll just select here this is string, and this is indicator, and I write this is your linear. So I'll write here and I'll just little bit reorient. Okay, and this is your result. Okay, so now here so now I think so all the connections are over. Now we have to check it is working or not. So for that I'm taking here some. Okay, initially we can cross check it is working or not. Then we can see here if I'll put this x0 y0, then it will come 8 in a non-linear case and 9 it will come in a linear case. So now in this case it is a 9. You'll see here this is a 9, so, and the position is a false, and we have given in a false position it's a linear equation will execute. So you'll see in a linear equation is execute. So 9, if I'll switch the case from here, then the result is coming 8. So that means what non-linear equation is coming. So that means what here by using buttons, or we'll say here in case of this button or booleans we can use some numerical indicator also. If I'll change 2 and here I'll change 1, now I'll see the result is changed. So this is a 2, this is 1, result is 30 in this non-linear case. So we have to check 30. Similarly here, if I'll go back again and place of true and false cases, we can add many more cases here actually. So for that we will see in a next video how we can add and subtract more cases. Thank you friends. If you like it, then please share and subscribe with your friends.